Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today in this video I'll show you how to recover your Facebook photos and videos. This video is for you if you want to learn very easily. Let's start now. First you need to access the Facebook apps. Then you have to click on the top 3 dot lines on the right side of your hand. Click on. Then you have to click on setting and privacy. I will click on the setting. Then keep going scrolling and click on download your information. Now you have to deselect everything. Then you select your format from here. Then keep going scrolling this option. Just click on. Then you select your format from here. And select on JSON. Then select media quality medium and tap on create file. Now it is pending. You will receive notification in 10 to 15 minutes later. I'll be back. I logged into the Facebook app again to check the information. Just click on. Here this is my notification. Just click on. So I can download. So if you're new here in my channel, please subscribe. And download a zip file. Now write your password. Continue with my account. Just tap on continue and click on download. Now it will be processing. Now here this is my information and more photos and videos. Now it will be continue. I hope I can help you. If you like the video, subscribe and stay by my side and press the bell button. So thanks for watching my video.